So let's study about the problems which are based on errors. Theoretical part of it already we have discussed in our previous lectures. So let's study about it. Let me read the problem. This is question number 3 from chapter 1, standard 11th, units and measurement, and sub question number 1. The masses of two bodies are measured to be 15.7 plus or minus 0.2 kg and 27.3 plus or minus 0.3 kg. What is the total mass of the two and the error in it? So let's first of all assume the data which is given in this problem. Two masses along with its error, it is given as, let us assume it as m1 plus delta m1, where delta m1 is the error in the measurement of m1, which is 15.7 plus or minus 0.2 kg. Another mass which is given, I will assume it as m2, and error in its measurement is delta m2. Therefore total mass given is m2 plus delta m2, which is equals to 27.3 plus or minus 0.3 kg. We are asked to find total mass. So let us assume total mass as capital M, and error in its measurement is delta M. So let us find it out. We are asked to find these two, M and delta M. According to this, total mass is M is equals to M1 plus M2. Therefore, it is 15.7 plus 27.3 comes out to be this is total mass, and error in its measurement is delta M, which is delta M1 plus or minus, here also it is plus or minus delta M2, which is equals to, write the values as per data, this and this. So it will be plus or minus 0.2 kg plus 0.3 kg. Therefore, it comes out to be 0.5 kg. It is delta M. So error in the measurement of total mass is delta M plus or minus 0.5 kg, and error total mass is 43.0 kg, or it is 43 kg, which is denoted with capital M. So this is the total mass. Okay. Question number 3. In that, sub question number 2. Let us read that problem. The distance traveled by an object in time 100 plus or minus 1 second is 5.2 plus or minus 0.1 meter. What is the speed and its relative error? So we are asked to find speed, that is V, and error delta V in the measurement of V. We will write the data. distance along with its error is given, time also is given along with the error. So we can find it easily. So let's write it. Let us assume distance as d plus or minus error in its measurement is delta d, which is 5.2 plus or minus 0.1, which is given in SI unit, that is in terms of meter. What else is given is the time. So let us assume time as t plus or minus delta t, where delta t is the error in the measurement of time. So it is 100 plus or minus 1, which will be in seconds. Okay. So let us do it. A relative error is asked and velocity is asked or speed is asked. So speed v and maximum relative error formula comes out to be velocity v is equals to distance d upon time t. Relative error is equals to delta v by v. This is nothing but speed. So from this, and as per our earlier discussion, if division is there, then their corresponding errors will be added. So from that, the formula will be delta d by d plus or minus delta t upon t. Now next job is very easy, that is just the substitution. So solution is just the substitution. V is equals to d by t. Here it is d and this is t. So it is 5.2 divided by time 100 comes out to be 0.052, and as per its units, unit of speed will be meter per second. Next will be delta v upon v. That is nothing but plus or minus delta d by d. This is delta d and this is d. So it will be 0.1 upon 5.2 plus or minus delta t upon t. So this is delta t 1 and this is t. So it will be 1 upon 100. So this will be, on simplifying, we get, I will take this plus and minus outside the bracket. So it will be 1 upon 52 plus 1 upon 100. Answer comes out to be plus or minus 19 upon 650. Therefore, delta v upon v, that is the relative error in the measurement of velocity, will be 0 plus or minus 0.029 meter per second. If you keep your answer as 19 upon 650, that will also be okay. Okay, so relative error in the measurement of speed is plus or minus 0.029 meter per second, and speed will be 0.052 meter per second. Now next problem will be a large ball 2 meter in radius is made up of a rope of square cross section with edge length 4 mm. Neglecting the air gaps in the ball, what is the total length of a rope to the nearest order of magnitude? So we are asked to find the order of magnitude. So radius of the ball is given, it is 2 meter. What else is given? Area of cross section with the edge length of the square is given 4 mm. It comes out to be 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, since 1 millimeter is 10 raised to minus 3 meters. Okay. Now the thing which remains constant here is volume of ball is equals to volume enclosed by rope. Ball is spherical in shape, so its volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume enclosed by rope, that is nothing but area of cross section into length of the rope. So let me write it in terms of symbols. Area of cross section multiplied by length L. We are asked to find length L. So from this it can be written as 4 upon 3 pi r cube whole divided by A. So it will be 4 by 3 pi into r cube whole divided by area of the square shape is 4 into 4 along with this 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. So answer comes out to be, on calculating this, it will be L is equals to 4 upon 3, value of pi is 3.14 into 2 cube divided by 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. Simplifying, we get length is equals to 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Now which one will be the order of magnitude? Actually there is one rule to find this order of magnitude, that is if number is expressed in terms of power of 10, so a into 10 raised to, let us say, n. This a will be rounded off to 1 if its value is in between 0 to 5. That is, if the value is less than 5, then this number will be rounded off to 1, and if it is greater than 5 or greater than 5, then it will be rounded off to 10. So here, as it is 2 less than 5, so the value will be rounded off to 1. Therefore, order of magnitude of the length of the rope is 10 raised to 6. Or you can also convert it in terms of kilometers. So it will be 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3 meter. This 10 raised to 3 meter is 1 kilometer. Therefore, it comes out to be 10 raised to 3 kilometer. So this is the order of magnitude of length of the rope, that is 10 raised to 6 meters. Okay. In next problem, big data is given. Let me read it. In one workshop, a worker measures the length of steel plate with a vernier calipers having a least count 0.01 centimeter. 4 such measurements of length yielded the following values. So let us assume these values as A1 is equals to 3.11 centimeter, A2 is equals to 3.13 centimeter, A3 is equals to 3.14 centimeter, and A4 is equals to 3.14 centimeter. Find the mean length, the mean absolute error, and the percentage error in measured length. Okay, so mean length can be calculated. Mean length will be an addition of all the lengths divided by the number. So here 4 lengths are measured. A1, A2 plus A3 plus A4 whole divided by 4. Just substitute the values. So it comes out to be 3.11 plus 3.13 plus 3.14 plus 3.14 divided by 4. We will name this value as A mean, that is called as mean length. Okay. So the answer A mean comes out to be 3.13 centimeter. Next, mean length calculated. The mean absolute error. To find this mean absolute error, we should first of all calculate the errors in the measurement of each length. So absolute errors in the measurement of each length, it will be delta A1 equals to modulus of A mean minus A1. So it will be 3.13 minus A1 is 3.11, comes out to be 0.02 centimeter. Next, absolute error in the measurement of A2 is modulus of A mean minus A2 equals to 3.13 minus 3.13 centimeter. Absolute error in the measurement of third length A3 is modulus of A mean minus A3 is 3.14 minus 3.13 comes out to be 0.01 centimeter, and same is the value for delta A4. In the same manner it has to be calculated. That is, in formula only modification is A mean minus A4, and because the values of A3 and A4 are same, therefore their absolute error in the measurement comes out to be same. Therefore, mean absolute error, we will denote it with delta A mean. This is mean absolute error. Its formula is delta A mean is equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 whole divided by, I'm so sorry, it should be error we are writing, so it has to be delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 plus delta A4 whole divided by 4, and just substitute the values. So it will be delta A mean comes out to be 0.02 plus 0 plus 0.01 plus 0.01 whole divided by 4. So delta A mean comes out to be 0.04 divided by 4 is delta A mean, that is mean absolute error is 0.01. Now we are asked to find the percentage error in the measured value. So percentage error in the measured value, that can be calculated as delta A mean divided by A mean is equals to 0.01 divided by 3.13, and its percentage means we need to multiply it by 100. Therefore, this has to be multiplied by 100. Answer comes out to be 1 upon 3.13. Finding the reciprocal, we will get percentage error in the measurement of length is 0.319%, or approximately it can also be, this 19 will be rounded off to 2. Therefore, this will be 0.32%. Thank you.